I'm a book lover and I like being around other book lovers and getting excited about books and authors.
I really just like the positive energy and all the people here. Everyone's been so nice.
They're just amazing and they're really fun people. If you enjoy their books, then you probably will enjoy them as a person. I was most excited about just meeting everybody.
David Levithan, it was just amazing to meet him. I talked to him for a little bit.
Right now I'm going to get 2 book signs. That's probably what I'm really excited for.
The thing I've been most excited to see has honestly been Rainbow Rowell. Her books mean so much to me.
We went to a panel this morning where the authors talked about their own fandoms. That was really cool to see the writers as fans of other work.
Young adult has been all I've been reading since I was like 10. It's an age group where so much is happening and so much is so important. I can apply it to what I'm dealing with and it's still really relevant.
It really teaches you a lot about the world through young adults' perspective.
There's definitely some books I can really just connect with and identify with.
My favorite part of the young adult genre is how diverse and how inclusive it is to all genders and all sexualities.
Adults really still connect with that sort of intense emotional time, and I just love to live through that and forget the adult worries of my life.